Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a few items that came from Portland Leather and KMM Co. So let's take a look. First, I'm going to open up this one from Portland Leather. It's just a small accessory. You probably can guess by looking at this. It's their passport cover. Let's take a look. Beautiful leather. I do like this color, but having this as a bag and with the vibrant purple sway at the back, probably a little bit too much for me, but I do like this as an accessory. The reason I say I bought a few items for my few notes because this is another passport cover from Portland Leather. I have modified it into a traveler's notebook style. It's really easy. You basically punch a couple holes up there and at the bottom, and then use the elastic string. This is kind of my first try. You can use it for a couple of few notes. I can easily add another one. So after I modify this, I can use this for my few notes, and you have extra pockets and credit card space. So this can be really useful and budget friendly if you want to do some DIY for your few notes. And the good thing with Portland Leather is they do release a lot of different colors. So if you see a colors you like, you can pick one up and easily modify it into a few notes cover. And then the second package from KMM, I believe this one was their medium pouch mystery pack. And it comes with a passport holder as well. And I believe their passport holder can directly accommodate your field note size, that you don't have to DIY and add the strings and stuff. But let's open it up and take a look. Since this is a mystery pack, I have no idea what kind of color or leather they pick for me, but it's a good deal to try and get a few items from them to see if you like their product and their craftsmanship. They come in a nice dust bag. Oh, I'm gonna love this. I know I'm gonna love this. This is exactly my kind of color. Feeling lucky? Nice. I love this. It's kind of a thick leather with the deboss. Really nice. And then have a tassel. Not sure how durable is this tassel, but the leather is quite stiff. Really nice. I love it. And then this is their medium zip pouch. Has a nice zipper pull. Inside just a simple suede side of the leather. This is a full grain leather. This leather is beautiful. It's really thick. It's a little dry, but I can easily condition it. It's really thick and nice. I think this one will really protect your stuff. Now, time to look at this passport holder from KMM. See, the passport cover even comes with a free field note. So nice. This leather is really thick as well. This kind of look like a muted army green color with really thick leather. Nice. The stitches look perfect. And with this one, you don't have to do any DIY. You can just slip in your few notes. I have one here. I can try this side. Really nice. And if you want an elastic closure for this cover, you can easily punch a hole and use an elastic band like what I did with the Portland leather version. You can easily add an elastic band closure for this one. Wow, maybe they did research my purchase history. Somehow they knew these are the colors I love. Wow, I'm really happy with this. I believe for their medium zip pouch, grab bag is about $100. And then if they are on sale, could be down to $75, which is really a good value. It's amazing value. All these are full grain leather, and you can see that they come with amazing texture and a logo debossed at the back. So if you want to try their product, this grab bag is a good value. I may get another one because this is totally worth it, and I love their leather. They have a lot of good quality leather, and some are more colorful. With mystery grab bag, you won't know which one you are getting, but I'm sure it's worth it. I love all these items. So this is a quick first impression on these new items I just got, full grain leather. And recently I've been really into using field notes. I think I finally figured out how to use my field notes and how to use it up fast because I keep buying them, so I have to figure out a way to use them. So if you're interested in that kind of video, let me know. If you want me to create more content for field notes, leave me a comment and I will get to it soon. Otherwise, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy seeing these leather products. I will talk to you again soon. Bye!